Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I am back again with one of my manifesting techniques. Now listen, this is a new day, a new year, and a lot of you are wondering, Yvette, what can I do to manifest things faster? What can I do to get that love of my life? Or what can I do to manifest a better career? Today I'm going to speak to you about a simple technique that takes only a few minutes every night that can absolutely help you achieve your goals. But what I want you to do is to watch this video all the way to the end, because you guys know I love to throw in some extra tips. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel and you never heard of My World of Metaphysics, this is the Manifesting Law of Attraction channel that gives information in an easy to understand manner so that you can use it and actually see results. So don't forget to support this channel. Join the family by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. Now, if you want to know this simple technique that I want to show you that can help you manifest anything, keep watching. I'm back, everyone. Now, what is it that I have to say about this special technique that can absolutely help you manifest almost anything? Now, listen, before we go any further, I want to clear this up. No matter what techniques I give you when it comes down to manifesting, you are always manifesting. You're either getting what you want or what you don't want. The second thing I want to tell you is that it doesn't matter what I give you. You must know what it is that you want and why. I tell you time after time, the why is what's going to get you where you want to go. Why do you want this money? Why do you want this raise? It is very important that you express this, because that is going to be the energy, the battery to get you to where you want to go. The next thing is, no matter what I give you, I don't tell you to lie on the sofa and expect something to fall out of the sky. My whole thing is do the techniques and take action. Take action in the direction of where it is you want your life to go. So if you want that career, apply for that promotion. Take extra classes to learn things. These are the things that the universe is going to use to propel you forward to get you to that destination. So whatever I give you, I am expecting you to know what you want, why, and take action. So now let's get to this technique. This technique that I'm showing you is something called scripting. And the only thing you're going to need is a piece of paper and something to write with. That's all you need. Oh, one more thing. And you're going to need your pillow. Okay? So if you have a pillow, a piece of paper, and a pen, you're well on your way. The next thing is, I want you to know exactly what it is that you're trying to manifest at this point. Know what you want, and again, I want you to know why, because why is going to be the energy, the fuel that gets you to where it is you want to go. The next thing is you're going to come up with a statement. In fact, I want you to either use a statement if you're using a big piece of paper. If not, if it's something small, like a parchment paper, I want you to use something small, like 2 words, like love, like 50,000, like promotion, success, okay? Because the paper is small. But if it's big, you can go right ahead and write a 1-line statement, a 1-sentence statement, like, thank you, God, for blessing me with the $50,000. Thank you, God, for blessing me with success at my job. Whatever it is, I want you to keep it as a 1 statement, and I want you to use that. So take your time and come up with this and make sure it is exactly what it is that you want. Now, when are you going to do this? You're going to do this at night, right before going to sleep. Why? Because during the day, your conscious mind is bombarding you with all these different thoughts, thousands and thousands of thoughts that you may not even understand or realize that is going on. At night, this is time for your conscious mind to rest. And at this time, your subconscious mind can absorb whatever it is that you're giving it, and at the same time can give you. So now, what are you going to do once you have this statement? You're going to write it out 7 times. 7 times before going to bed, you're going to write a statement of what it is that you want. Now, you're just not going to write this statement. I want you to feel whatever it is that you're writing. I want you to see in your mind's eye whatever it is that you want. Let's just say it's the love of your life. You're going to see your hand with a ring on it, or you're going to see yourself walking on a beach with a mate. If it's $50,000, you're going to see yourself receiving a check in the mail for $50,000. Whatever it is you're trying to manifest, I really need you to imagine getting whatever it is that you want as you are writing this, okay? Now, the next tip I want to give you is, as you're writing this and you wrote it 7 times, I want you then to read it, okay? Read what you wrote. So if you wrote a statement, you'll be reading that statement 7 times. Now, what are you going to do with it after that? You're going to take that statement and you're going to place it under your pillow where you sleep, where your head rests. And again, what I do, I take it and I put it inside the pillowcase under the pillow so that I'm not feeling these things on my head. So now you're probably saying, well, Yvette, how long do we do this? You're going to do this 7 days, and I'm going to tell you what I want you to do. Now, for 7 days, you can either write it out 7 times and read it every day for 7 days, what you wrote, or you can write it out 7 times. Now, listen, you're writing a statement of what it is that you want. Don't take any more than 5 minutes, 4 minutes. I thank you, God, for blessing me with the $50,000. Now, you can write that in 15 seconds. You can write it 7 times. The next day, come back, write it another 7 times. Come back and do this for 7 days. Why are we doing this? Because we are actually scripting, and you're programming your subconscious mind at night while it is more open to receiving the message of what it is that you want. And that is why we're doing this at night, and that is why we're writing it out 7 times. Again, if the paper is small, you can write it out 7 times and read it. But if you want it to be that much more powerful, write it every night for 7 nights. Now, people are going to ask me, well, Yvette, what else do I do? After that, I want you to let it go. I want you to let it go out during the day and take action. This is all you need to do. If you want that promotion, take action, think boldly, and know that this is what you want and why. Now, what are you going to do after the 7 days? Now, this is a question that I get a lot. Now, listen, you can either place this under your pillow and leave it there, place it in your wallet, and see it often when you open up your wallet, or you can burn it to the universe and blow the ashes out to the universe. Now, what are you going to do after you manifested whatever it is that you wanted? Again, you can burn this to the universe or just get rid of it, because basically you already manifested what it is that you wanted. Now, another tip that I want to give you guys is, once you write your statement, you can absolutely put a stamp on what it is that you want by affirming this is already done. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean, once you write, thank you, God, for blessing me with the $50,000, you can turn that paper over and you can write on the back, it is done. Thank you, God. I am ready. Whatever powerful statement that declares that this is already done, you can add that 1 time on your paper. You can place it in your statement. Thank you, God, for blessing me with the $50,000. It is now done. Aha! Powerful statement for all of those that are still here watching this video. Now, another tip that I can give to you, you can place whatever you wrote in something like a sachet bag, a sock, or whatever, and keep it in there. Now, if you're doing this, you have the opportunity to add a couple of things in here to help you supercharge whatever it is that you want. You can add crystals. Let's just say it's $50,000. Citrine is the crystal of a merchant, of bringing in abundance. Let's just say it's love. you might want to put a rose quartz in here. Let's just say it's to attract a better career. You might want to put an orange crystal in here like a carnelian. Another thing you might want to do, you might want to put a little oil on your hand, money drawing oil, success oil, and pop it on the paper, blessing the paper to bring in whatever it is that you want. Another thing you can do in this bag, you can add 1 or 2 bay leaves or cinnamon sticks in here with whatever it is that you wrote to supercharge whatever it is that you're doing. Okay, everyone. I just gave you a powerful way to manifest anything by writing it 7 times and putting it in the pillow. So listen, be grateful for whatever you have. Take action in the direction of what you want and know that the universe supports you in all ways. So again, everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. This is the Manifesting Law of Attraction Metaphysical channel that gives you information that you can understand. So now listen, please support this channel by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. If you want to know anything about My World of Metaphysics, everything is in the description, from coaching, from reading, from buying crystals, candles. Anything you see in my videos is in the description. And again, watch the next video, and namaste.